Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Nadiam Bareen from Peshawar Model School, your maths teacher for the level 4. Today the topic of our discussion would be unit number 2, factors and multiples. Rules for divisibility. After the study of this unit, the students will be able to identify divisibility rule for 2, 3, 5 and 10. Use divisibility test for 2, 3, 5 and 10 on numbers up to 5 digits. Divisibility rule for the number 2. There are some rules which will help us decide quickly if a given number is exactly divisible by 2, 3 or 5. The chart shows the divisibility rule for the number 2. All numbers whose ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are exactly divisible by 2. All even numbers are exactly divisible by 2. This chart shows all the numbers from 1 to 100. Every second number has been colored in pink. These numbers are exactly divisible by 2. Divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is exactly divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. This chart shows all the numbers from 1 to 100. Every third number are exactly divisible by 3. If the sum of a number is exactly divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Divisibility rule for the number 5. All the numbers whose ones digit is 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. This chart shows all the numbers from 1 to 100. Every fifth number are exactly divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for the number 10. All number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. Now we start our exercise 2.1, page number 44. Check the divisibility of the following numbers 2, 3, 5, 10. Question number 1, 11,024. First rule is divisibility test by the 2. All numbers whose ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are exactly divisible by 2. 11,024 divisible by 2 because its ones digit place is 4, so 11,024 is divisible by 2. Divisibility test by 3. If the sum of digits of a number is exactly divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Now we add the digit 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. We get the answer 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so 11,024 is not divisible by 3. Divisibility test by 5. All the numbers whose ones digit is 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. 11,024 is not divisible by 5 because its ones digit place is not 0 or 5. Divisibility test by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. In 11,024 is not divisible by 10 because its ones digit place is not 0. Homework exercise 2.1, page number 44, question number 1 to 6 in class work copies. Thank you class.